In this video, I will show you how to make money on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange with a minimum amount on your balance, $100 or $200. In the previous video, I showed you how to send money from Binance to your bank card, but first you need to earn money. Therefore, today I will show you 3 of the most popular ways to make money on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The first way to make money on Binance is through trading. You buy crypto cheaper, but sell it at a higher price. To get started, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you will be trading. Go to the CoinMarketCap website and select a cryptocurrency that sometimes falls and sometimes rises. You need to choose a cryptocurrency that has good dynamics and movement up and down. For example, at the moment it could be Tron. I'm only showing this as an example and I'm not encouraging you to buy it. You can choose any other coin you want. Given the dynamics of the rise and fall of this coin, you can start trading. When the price is low, you need to buy, but when the price rises, you need to sell. Also, consider the amount of commission of your trade on Binance. But to get a permanent 20% discount on all Binance fees, use my referral link to sign up for an account. In this way, you will be able to make money from cryptocurrency trading with a minimum amount of money. The second way to make money is by investing and earning. You can invest in the most popular or reliable cryptocurrencies. Use the CoinMarketCap rating to choose a reliable cryptocurrency. You can invest in expensive and popular cryptocurrencies or even cheap altcoins that have recently appeared. If you don't have a limited budget, then I recommend choosing expensive and reliable cryptocurrencies. But if you have a small budget, then buy altcoins to quickly earn startup capital. Invest in cryptocurrency at the moment of growth, and after the growth stops, sell. You can invest and earn on different terms, daily, monthly, or even yearly. When the price of the cryptocurrency stops growing, then it will need to be sold. After that, wait for the price to drop and buy the cryptocurrency again. In this way, you will be able to earn money by investing in cryptocurrency and not spend a lot of time on it. The third way to make money is Simple Earn. This method is suitable for beginners and those who do not want to think or spend a lot of time. Because Simple Earn is all about earning interest, and you don't run the risk of losing your money. For each cryptocurrency, there is a separate offer and percentages. You can choose the investment period, and even the amount of cryptocurrency you want to earn interest on. For example, USDT is 3.47%. If you invest 100,000 USDT, then you will be able to receive $10 per day, or $3,000 per month. But you can invest less, and then the amount of earnings per month will change. If you have some money on Binance, then you can invest it to make it profitable for you. You can invest small amounts, and even large amounts, to increase your earnings. Choose stable cryptocurrencies, and before investing, look at the chart of the rise and fall of the cryptocurrency. But you will also be able to close your investment early, and all the money will be returned to your wallet. In this way, you can make money on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. There are also other ways to earn money that you will be able to view after registering on Binance. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.